Hey, it's Travis at the Air Power Vendor Expo in Pinehurst, North Carolina. Today I'm with Todd Shelley of Michigan Pneumatic. How are you?
I'm doing well. And you?
Perfect. Tell us about Michigan Pneumatic.
Michigan Pneumatic is a 76-year-old company. We're family-owned, just like Air Power.
Absolutely.
So it's a great thing, and we are very unique that we sell new product, but we also have a unique division that does remanufactured of bringing life back to old tools, not just to repair,
all right,
but actually to refurbish that, as well as some of the piping systems that support it as well.
Yeah, I saw the piping over here. Well, let's talk to us about your main lines of the tools. Okay. So I'm sure these are representative of that.
Just a small tip.
Okay, all right. Well, that's what I need to know.
Sure. We do construction tools like paving breakers, rock drills, chippers. We do the industrial tools like large impacts and grinders for foundries, steel mills, things like that. We do assembly, pulse tools, screwdrivers. We also get involved with unique things like automation, robotics, that type of thing.
You guys are very diverse.
Very diverse, very diverse.
Now, most companies that I've gone to, I don't see tools and piping. I'm assuming this is air.
This is air.
Okay, so talk to us about this.
The unique piping system, it's polyethylene pipe.
Okay.
Not to be confused with PVC, but it's very unique in that it has a very thick wall.
Right.
So it's self-insulating, where aluminum pipe allows for heat transfer. So you don't get the moisture in the lines that you have like this.
Okay.
It's extruded, so you have a little dimpling like a golf ball, which allows more air in the same size pipe.
Do they make tanks out of polyethylene too?
That I don't know.
I think they do. It's for some of the same reasons why this works very well.
That's why I'm here to learn from you.
Yeah. We'll figure that out. All right. So it's a whole unique connector system too, right?
Yeah. All you need is a pair of channel locks just to fasten it, and a little bit of chapstick or Vaseline to make the pipe slot go in easy. There's an O-ring for sealing. An alignment collar.
All right.
The white collar locks it in, and I cut this very poorly as an illustration that no matter how good or how poorly you cut it, it'll still go in and work.
So basically, that's gripping and pulling it down and sealing it on that O-ring, so where you have zero escape.
To prove my point, this is only hand tight. I'm going to ask you to pull that apart.
Just to pull this out.
Pull it like you mean it.
I told you, Mama said I was strong. Actually, my mom used to say, "Stop doing that. You're going to kill your brother." So I had to back off. All right. Well, that is impressive. I pulled you out of your chair.
I am impressed too.
All right. Cool.
All right.
Todd, thank you very much. How have you liked the show?
Love the show.
It's pretty cool getting that close and personal with people that are already buying from you.
Absolutely.
People that already have a relationship with you.
Great teamwork here.
Versus a trade show where you walk away with 150 leads and
Totally agree.
2 of them.
150 leads and a sore hand from...
Sore hand and your horse.
That's right.
And 2 leads actually worked.
That's right.
So,
thank you.
It's great. All right, on to the next booth.